Make a U-turn. In 1,000 feet, slight left, take the next left, sharp left, turn right on, continue on, in a quarter mile, at the light, in 600 feet, turn right on.
You have reached your destination.
Yup. Okay, so while I work on next, I'm going to be coating the interior of my of the body with hush mat and so forth. Paint is nice and dry. I've been working on some electrolysis stuff, and this is rust removal using electricity. I've got this little puppy and that big puppy. Essentially, this gets put into a solution of water and washing powder, borax, basically, and it's what, 1 tablespoon per each gallon. It creates a solution, an electrolytic solution, and positive battery lead on sacrificial anodes. You can see how rusty they've gotten, and the negative lead to whatever you're de-rustifying. This I did overnight, and I'm going to put it in my oven so it's completely and totally dry. I'll take some further sandpaper to it, and maybe see if it'll clean up even better, and then paint it with this stuff here. This can's almost dead. This is also one overnight, and you can see just how much rust has literally fallen off the rest of the stuff from the bottom. Stan, if you're watching, these are the parts that you sent me. So I'm going to see how I do with the cleanup on this. See if there's more rust to get off. If not, then I'll do the same thing. I think what's next, I had another piece that I was going to do. Hold on, let me find it. Yeah, well, never mind. I can't find the other piece. Anyway, I'm going to take these apart and see how I do with cleaning them up, and then we'll just, and then just go from there. Okay, so I've taken off all the parts, and I have washed them, put them in the oven to dry out. This is what's left. So the rust comes off the piece that you're electrolyzing and gets put onto what's called the sacrificial anode. So these are junk pieces of metal that will get rustier and rustier and rustier as I use them again and again for just such a job. Okay, none of this is toxic. Again, it's washing powder. You put the same stuff in your laundry. It's, you know, not detergent, but it's the water activator, whatever the hell it's called. I don't know, borax. But so there is a what do you call it? There's a show on Netflix about consumerism and brand placement and the psychology behind all that stuff and how they track you and yada yada. I assure you, my own stupidity did this. So I shopped and shopped and shopped and looked for really, really thick hush mat, which is what this is. And Amazon had a special on something. It was a Black Friday deal, and so I got a whole bunch of it. I did not realize that it had Amazon all over the goddamn thing. So I am not a victim of product placement and all that psychology and shit. But, oh, Jesus, I'm going to name this card Jeff instead of JP, maybe, after Mr. Bezos. Let me get into this thing. Everything on me is sore. Oh. Okay. So, start with the pillars. So far, so good. Got the holes where they need to be. Got the holes where they need to be. And got the holes where they need to be. Had to hunt for the hole. And that hole and these two are good to go. I'm not sure what these are for. I don't know if they're vents or what, but I squished them out in case I need to, you know, take care of them or something. But I've got everything here really, really tightened down, sealed. What I don't have, now that I think of it, are the these things at the hinges. I'll do those tomorrow. Everything else is done. The tools I use were those things. All right, razor blade, block of wood, that thing, and of course scissors and a marker. And I have a whole bunch of this stuff left over And one more box over there, I think. Yeah, there it is on the bottom. God damn it. So, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. Maybe line my hood and trunk, maybe, possibly. I'm actually not done. I want to do the underside of this, which is kind of tough to see, but this is the Ford bulkhead, right? Cables and wiring, etc. go through there. I'll cut that out later. Cut those pieces out later, and what I don't have is this underside. Okay, so it's gonna be, oh geez, from here to here. Not that you can see it too well, but on top, it's from the edge to about right here. Oops, sorry. From the edge to about right here in 3 sections. And I'm whooped. My back hurts, neck hurts, hip actually hurt. Over this, I am going to put Hush Mat, and it's a specific, I don't know what the hell the name of it is, but it's not an Amazon brand, and it is supposedly the best thing since sliced bread and the best acoustic mat that you can buy. So this, hey cat, hi sweetie. This will cut down on heat transfer, and it'll cut down on noise. This stuff is pretty good for that. The other stuff I'm about to buy and haven't yet is going to cut down big time on no. Oh crap! My fucking oven's on. It's been on for about 9 hours now. Ugh. All right, all of this is a 9-hour job. I've been working at this for 9 hours, and I'm just, like I say, tired. So I'm going to post the video tonight and put myself in the bathtub and soak out my aches and pains. Wow. Yeah, this is actually kind of fun. Honestly, a lot of fun. Had some help with this one. And the rest of it, these sections here, which go over, let me think about this. I don't remember on my Roadster if I did these internally there, or if I did them on the aluminum panels. I think I did them on the aluminum panels. I'd better do them on the aluminum panels so that things fit. I'll have to think about that. Anyway, hey there. Yep, nice cat. That's it. That's it for now. And I am gonna go to bed, take a shower, take a bath and go to bed. Yep.